The SPRINT PNS Patient App puts control and support in the palm of your hand. Whether you're managing your stimulation, looking for daily care tips, or accessing helpful information, everything you need to feel confident during your 60-day journey is just a tap away. This video will walk you through how to set up the SPRINT PNS Patient App on your mobile device. Then we'll guide you step by step on how to pair your wearable, battery-powered stimulator called the pulse generator with the app. Let's get started. Setting up your patient app. The patient app can be downloaded by scanning the QR code on page 8 in the Instructions for Use or the QR code provided in the Patient Quick Start Guide. Both the Instructions for Use and the Quick Start Guide have been provided to you by your SPRINT representative. 1. Open the camera on your Apple phone. 2. Hold your phone so the QR code appears in view. 3. Tap the notification to open the link associated with the QR code and follow the instructions to download the SPRINT PNS Patient App. Once the app is downloaded, tap the SPRINT PNS Patient App icon on your phone screen. The patient app will ask you to log in or create an account. If you are a new user, you will need to create an account. On the login screen, tap Sign Up Now that appears under the Login button. Enter a valid email address that you will be able to access and then select Send Verification Code. Within 5 minutes of receiving the verification email, enter the 6-digit verification code that was emailed to you. It may take several minutes for the verification email to appear in your inbox. Choose a password using between 8 and 64 characters that has at least 3 of the following: a lowercase letter, an uppercase letter, a number, or a symbol. Select Create Account. Review the terms and conditions before checking the box I have read and agree to the terms and conditions. Once your account has been created, you will be asked to log in to your patient app. Now that you have logged in, let's pair your patient app remote to your pulse generator. There are 2 ways to access your remote. Tap the menu icon to view the menu options. You can access your remote from the menu options by clicking Remote. There are also other helpful menu options available for you to use and explore. You can also access your patient app remote from your home screen. Click the Remote button in the upper right-hand corner. To pair your pulse generator to your patient app remote, you will need to go through the Bluetooth pairing process using these steps. If you do not pair to your pulse generator, you will be able to view the educational content within the app, but will not be able to control your pulse generator using the patient app remote. Go to your patient app remote. Note that your pulse generator can only be paired to one phone at a time, and the handheld remote needs to be in the lock position. Select Let's Get Started. Select Ready to Pair. Then tap Allow the device to be found. Enter your pulse generator's 8-digit serial number that can be found on the label on the back of your pulse generator. Select Next. Press and hold your pulse generator's button for 8 seconds or until the pulse generator beeps and the button begins flashing blue. Select Next. Wait while your patient app is connecting to your pulse generator. Select Pair when the patient app successfully connects. Congratulations! Your patient app remote is now paired. Use the app to turn your stimulation on or off, adjust the intensity, and find helpful information like FAQs, bandaging tips, and battery details. We're here to support you through your 60-day treatment journey. If you need assistance, call a SPRINT representative at 844-777-7679.